Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Temu haul to share with you, and I also have a Temu code so that you can use if you are a new user or you reinstated your Temu app. And I also have a $100 bundle so you go ahead and save some money. Let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, the first thing I want to show you, I got some sequence mixes, and this is just the little circles with the glitter. I did get it in purple, like the lime and the black for Halloween. I wasn't sure if they had orange. I think they might have been out, but I went ahead and got this. And if you look at that, it does have glitter inside. Look at that. It's got the purple, this one, lime green, and then the black one. Got those three, and these all came from the same shop. Thing I hauled, and I saw these. I want to do DIY with them, and they're angel wings, and these are plastic, so that's the main reason why I got them. And I wanted to see if they were actually pretty big, and these are actually pretty nice. Look at that. And it does got a little flat cover, so you can DIY on with them. Oh, this is perfect for what I want to do. Now look at those. And they did have pink and white that I've seen. So I gotta get some more of these. So these are actually pretty epic. Wow, look at that. I am impressed. And look at how they look. That close up. Look at that. So they do come in 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah, so you get 6 of those. Those are nice. And I know for sure they have white, so I'm going to get the white, but I wonder if they have black. And that's actually a good find. Okay, the next thing I have here is some black skulls. And these are beads. This is a big hole bead, actually. Yeah, it's pretty big. But the hole runs top to bottom, which I am glad. Look at that. How nice is that? I got those ones. And then I also bought the green striped beads. And here's some more of my stash. That screams Halloween. Look at that. Real nice. Love it. Got those. And the hole does run up and down, so that it goes with the same with the lines. Got those ones. And the next one I have here is an orange one. Those, and this is from the same shop. That, like I said, the hole does run sideways, well, up and down, like on the line. Yeah, which I think I would prefer it this way. But either way is fine. Those. I did get some more charms here, some Halloween ones. Let's look at these. I think they're all different. Okay, so this one's a cat on a broom. Look at that. How cute is she? And this one is a pumpkin. Like a pumpkin house. That's just real nice. I like them. You got two different ghosties. You got ghosty number 1, the regular one. Ghosty number 2 with the pumpkin. This one does have a haunted house with the moon. A black ghosty. A witch's hat. A kitty cat in a pumpkin. Love, love, love. And then you get 2 other pumpkins. There's this one. And that one. And then you get this one. It's actually real nice. I like these. Real nice. Another set of charms that I got here are some, they're like Gothic mirrors. It's actually got some weight to them. Look at that. So it does come in black and red. Oop. How awesome are those? Got that one. You get 3 of those, I think. And then these, I believe you could get single color, but I wanted to mix just to see how they look. Okay, there's a silver with black. This one comes with the gold and red. And black with the gold. So that's a red one. And then you get 2 red on silver. So it looks like the black one, which I'm glad you get 3. Well, my bag got 3. Alright, the next thing I got here are some Halloween stamps and a coordinating die. I got this one here. This is like a Halloween one. It does have, I bought these because of the skull guys down here playing a little guitar. They come with the mummy, skeleton, a spider, and a pumpkin. It does have some sentiments. And then it does have a coordinating die here. And it does have like a flying bat that hangs out. I got those 2. I try to get stamps with dies. I don't mind fussy cutting, but if I don't have to, I don't want to. Another thing I've got is some of this mesh. I have it in other colors, but I didn't have a lime green. But look at this. How nice. Wow, this is really lime. Look at that. This is a neon green. So I got this. I could add 2 embellishments. And you do get a good amount of that one. Look at that. Another thing I have here is like some stickers, journal stickers. I believe they're stickers. I like to use these on my ATC cards. Oh, there's actually stickers and papers. Oh, I didn't know that. Well, let's see. Yeah, that's a book. That I didn't know. So this is actually, for some reason I thought this was only paper. I mean, only stickers. I thought, oh, maybe, so I don't, oh no, I think these are stickers. I thought they were stickers too. They were just papers. Look at that. How nice is that? And you get like 2 copies. Now these are good. I like these for you can make anything, but for like card fronts, any ATC cards, any tags, anything that you make. See, this is another side that I like, which is Gothic Vintage. So this one comes in handy. So I got those ones, that flower rose, some more roses. Yeah, I thought these were actually stickers. I think those are just stickers. A rose. Love these. It would be cool for a nice folio. That. This one. Oh, I love these papers. That one. This one got the lace. Love, love, love. Oh, this one I really like. Look at that. Swans. Love it. Oh, I love the rose. Yeah, these papers are actually real nice. And they're not super thin, nor they're not super thick either, so that's nice. And then it does come with these stickers that you could add. So you do have a frame. There's something stuck on it. You get a frame. You did get like roses. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Like a wreath. Yeah. And then this one does come with the girl. You get two of them. Get two girls. Yeah, like a moth. You got another frame. This is like a little kit for your journal. And then some roses. Yeah, this is actually a really nice looking kit. So if you want to make a little Gothic journal, a mini one, you already have the papers here for that. Love it. Love, love, love. So that's those. Yeah. So that's those. And then the last thing I have here, I had to get some, these are actually pretty big. I didn't think they were this big. But I did get some Halloween bags, and I'm using these for like swaps and whatnot. I had to get the little cutie ghost right here. Look how cute she is with the pink bow. She remind me I need some pink bows with polka dots. Yeah, so I got these bags here. And it's a good amount. I got those there. And that is my little haul that I have for you today. I will leave the links in the description, so that if you wanted anything on here, you can go ahead and put an order for it. These here, I think is these wings and this journal kit were amazing. But I loved it all. But yeah, with that, leave a comment below. Do subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so that you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.